Okay, back with another video on how to use the attendance system. Alright, so I'm going to make a couple videos here and each one is going to be slightly different. So I'm going to start with, for example, 公假. So this is how to take official leave. So click into here. Okay, now I'm going to close this window on the side. Doesn't mean anything for me. Okay, so here it's going to have my department I'm in. It's got my name, so make sure this is set to your name. This is the date of my official leave. Let's imagine that I need to take official leave for next Monday, May 1st. So I'm going to take a full day of leave, so 8 to 4. Say I was going to take a half day, I would just adjust this down to 12. Anyways, there it is. Here, this is going to be the person you designate as a substitute. So it's important that you talk to the person before you ask them, because if they are taking leave at the same time, they won't be able to cover you. So for example, I click here, this is my coworker. Here I would need to enter the location that I will be at for official leave. So let's imagine it's a workshop and I'm going to Donghai Junior High School. This asks you for the reason. In this reason, I would enter FET workshop. Now here where it says 附件, this is attach a file. So if you have an official letter, for example, that the English Resource Center sends out in a line group, or you want to attach an official letter or another document, then you would click here on this green one. Okay, and then once you get here, you press choose file. You would choose a file, let's say this one, if that's the right file, and then I would click this one, 送出表单, which is send it. Now I'm not going to actually do this because I don't want to apply for leave, but basically you would do this, and you would want to make sure that you had talked to your substitute first, or you had mentioned this to your director so that everybody knows, because what will happen next is that this application will be sent to your substitute. They will need to click OK, that they cover the time. That would then be sent to a director. They would need to click OK to have it cleared. That would then go to the principal, and they need to click OK and have it cleared. So it needs to go through all these checks before you're actually cleared to go. So you can kind of see that it's important to do this as early as possible when you know that you'll be taking leave, and to let people who are kind of in the loop of who needs to know, make sure that you let them know. Alright, so that is official leave.